Hey everyone, Michelle Hung here, your sassy investor. In this video, I'm going to talk about the money mistakes people make. So if you don't want to lose money, then keep watching. But first, hit the subscribe button for more stuff like this. Mistake number 1, falling for a get-rich-quick scheme. You know all those trading courses, option courses, Bitcoin courses, Forex courses that promise you massive returns for very little risk? Or they sell you into the dream of being able to quit your 9 to 5 so that you can sit in front of your computer for 45 seconds a day and make $5,000. Yeah, that screams scam. Stay away from that. Mistake number 2, not starting early enough. So when I hear people that are in retirement or near retirement, a very common remark they make is, I wish I had started investing earlier. And what prompts those remarks is usually a life event like a divorce or death of a partner, because they've spent most of their lives taking a backseat when it comes to managing their finances. So take control of your finances, be the CFO of your own money, and start as soon as possible. Mistake number 3, not being patient and trying to time everything and selling investments at the wrong time because of fear. When you're investing correctly, slow and steady wins the race. Nobody can predict the stock markets or the future, so stop trying to time the markets. Hang in there, think long term, and just leave it. If you're constantly looking at your investment portfolio, stop. Seriously, just stop. You don't phone your real estate agent on a daily basis asking them how much is your house worth today. So stop looking at your investment portfolio on a daily basis. My foolish friend kept doing that. So he kept doing all the wrong things with his investments. I felt like a failure watching him do all the wrong things. Mistake number 4, investing in media hype. Remember Bitcoin? How did that work out? I love a good story, whether it is you making $500,000 on an investment or losing your entire life savings and going into debt. They don't care about you, so stop listening to them. Mistake number 5, listening to bad advice. Bad advice like people telling you to invest in Bitcoin or Forex or trade options or whatever stock that is trending right now. Or telling you invest in real estate, it's the only thing that goes up. Or stay away from the stock markets, it's too risky and you'll lose all of your money. That's all bad advice. Those are myths and they are wrong. Those are some of the most common mistakes I see people make, so avoid those and you should be good.